Having attractive hobbies that you are natural with is attractive as hell. Imagine going to a bar and pulling off a slick dance move that got everyone watching. You are definitely going home with a badass lady that night. Having attractive hobbies is not necessarily to impress people. I believe it to be a source where confidence, self-development, and self-care can be drawn from. We will go through a list of 7 attractive hobbies you must have before 2025. If you are yet to subscribe, this is a cue to do so. All right, let's dive right in. Number 1, cooking skill. Guys who can cook and can prepare amazing dishes are really attractive, trust me. Do not let the lies that are circulating all over the internet about having a sexy-ass gym body as the only way to be attractive. Some guys do not necessarily need that. I am here to tell you the real truth. Improving your cooking skill proves that you are in fact a complete man. You do not need any female to hold you accountable when it's time to eat. You don't need to beg anyone before you have a well-prepared meal. When it's time to show affection, trust me when I say most ladies nowadays are foodies. They get elated when their man prepares lovely dishes for them. Activate your cooking skill ASAP before 2025. I have provided a link in the description for a full meal course, a gym guide, and a glow-up guide. Do well to check it out. Number 2, guitar. Playing an acoustic instrument like a guitar is dope as hell. Playing your favorite song, or say her favorite song while she sings along, is sometimes all you need to spice up your relationship. I know lots of guys who have girls that are obsessed with this skill. Playing the keyboard is another way to stand out as attractive. Once you begin to play the symphony of a melody, you automatically have everyone's attention in the room, including hers. Number 3, dancing skill. Key to the Great and Chris Brown are A-listers when it comes to dancing. Trust when I say they got the spotlight when they begin to show off their moves. Dancing is simply awesome when you can move your body rhythmically to a beat. It's not only attractive, but also a way to de-stress and very efficient for cardio exercises. This is very essential if you want to come off as attractive. For the high school dudes, this is like a fuel for attention seeking, trust me. Moving on. Number 4, gym and personal care skills. Guys, I shit you not. This is one of the most essential aspects of being attractive. Guys who have good personal hygiene, skincare, and gym skills are super attractive. Personal care is self-taught. Make sure you max out your oral hygiene, skin, clothing, and personal style. Gymming, on the other hand, does not necessarily need to be excessive, depending on how committed you plan to be. I have mapped out a full gym guide and glow-up regime plan for 90 days in the link below. Do well to check it out for your own good. Do not just watch my videos without taking action. My goal is to build successful and attractive dudes of valor. Number 5, sports. If you can't swim, play lawn tennis, soccer, basketball, baseball, or sprint, what in the hell are you doing with your life? Get one of these sports ideas into your to-do list straight away. It is necessary for de-stressing, cardio, and general health satisfaction. Get to do one of these as a hobby for weekends. For me, my personal best is lawn tennis. I feel it goes well with the old money style. Number 6, fashion and trends skills. Being committed to the fashion world as a guy is damn impressive. Having the right selection of clothes and accessories will define your looks. Nowadays, the book is being judged by its cover. No one wants to have a convo with a dirty-ass guy, even if he has a beautiful soul and has something important to tell you. You are being judged by how you look, so you must look your best. Do not say, "Why should I care what people think of me?" Listen and listen carefully. People must ascertain your physical looks before they give you the opportunity you are looking for. If you think I am capping, dress like an ex-convict for a job interview and tell me how it turns out in the comment section. I swear I would reply with a laughing emoji. Lastly, number 7, monetizable skill set. Any skill that earns you extra cash is really attractive. From video editing, content creation, photography, affiliate marketing, or dropshipping. It's really cool when you can earn a living from the skill set you possess. I made a survey recently, and it turns out that people actually prefer men when they have a moderate earning business than a lucrative 9-to-5. Maybe it was due to their availability for the family and things that are really important. Get a monetizable skill to earn an attractive status. These are my attractive skills that made it as the top 7 in my list. Have these hobbies in mind to be on your A game. If you like the video, support by subscribing. Do well to check out the gym and meal prep guide in the description below.